Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another skincare video. I ordered my skincare ingredients mainly for my acne and acne spots. Lately I have been experiencing some breakouts on my face, on my skin. You might not see them as I'm facing you right now because they are not on my front face but more on my chin, on my cheeks. More on my cheeks, a little bit on my chin here and there, but they're all more on my cheeks. So I've been using different products. I've tried different products and they have worked. To be honest with you, they did work and they did clear, but I'm not sure if I was using too many things at once, because I ended up experiencing some breakouts, and also my lips are dry. Hold on, I'll be back. Okay, I am back. Just need. Okay, so I'm using the lip oil from Hairmine. Let's see, right here. So that's the lip oil that I'm using from Hairmine. It's an argan oil. It's really nice, actually. It's really good for my lips, and argan and vitamin E oil. Anyway, so back to the topic for the skincare. So yeah, that's why I had stopped to put on skincare content, because I wasn't really feeling confident with my skin, with coming here and talk about the skincare, create skincare videos whilst my face is a chaos. So I finally got some ingredients and I am going to make the oil that I'm going to be using on my face. So it's going to be the night oil. Specifically, I'll be using it at night. So I will take you on a journey. So yeah. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you. So here is how my skin looks, as you can tell. So as you can see, I hope you can see properly. And little bit on my, just a little bit on my forehead, but I don't have a lot on my forehead actually. I don't have a lot as well here. So yeah, so that's basically my main reason why I decided to do this, to make this DIY oil, face oil for my face. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So I'll be showing you the ingredients and I'll be showing you how I mix it. It's not hard, it's not difficult. And to those ones that wants to try at home as well for themselves, that are experiencing the same problem as mine, you can as well do that. And if it helps me and if I see some results, honestly, I wouldn't mind to make this for this oil for other people as well that wants to purchase. So yeah, so I need to use it first so that I can show you how it works. So I'll just say I'm taking you on my skincare, on my skin journey, and on my skin transformation. I'm not going to be doing a lot on my face, and I'm going to be transparent with you. Everything that I'll be using, from cleanser, from exfoliation, toner, I'll be telling you and showing you what I use, and at the same time I will be showing you the results that I will be getting from this DIY oil that I am going to make today with you. Okay guys, so let me not waste time and talk a lot. Let's get into the video. Hello guys, so I am going to show you how the oil looks and how it's gonna look on my face. So right now I just finished cleansing my skin. So I use an exfoliation slash cleanser, so it's like sort of like a 2-in-1 here. And now I'm going to tone, and then afterwards I am going to apply the oil. So anyways, I've just finished toning here. So you just shake it a little bit right here, and whilst your skin is a bit damp, not too damp, but you know, just a normal way, then you apply your oil. So I am applying, sorry, I'm looking on the mirror so that I can see what I'm doing. Sorry, I didn't take enough. So okay, so I applied I would just say 4 drops. That's what I applied. And yeah, I haven't found a name yet. I have not found a name yet for this oil. But for now, let's just call it a Tamanu oil. Yeah, because the main ingredient is Tamanu oil. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correct. If I'm not, I'm going to correct myself right here. So that, yeah, so for now we just call it the Tamanu oil because that's the, like, you know, that the strongest ingredient in here. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna see you on my next one when I'm showing you how when I'm showing you the difference and how I feel and how my skin is looking. So from now onwards, I am going to be using it every night before I go to bed. So I use it every night before I go to bed. For me, I'm just gonna use it an hour before I go to bed. So now I just finished applying it. I'm gonna watch something. I'm going to start watching Unseen. It's a series on Netflix if you haven't watched it. So I'm gonna start watching that, and I don't know what time I'm gonna sleep. So yeah, that way my skin is absorbing everything and it's taking all the benefits from the oil that I've applied. Every ingredient that I've used in this oil, it has a benefit that is going to help on my skin concerns that I have right here. So it's not just one oil or a specific oil. So just give your skin time to absorb everything. Avoid applying your oil, the oil, just before you go to bed. Leave it for at least 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour at least. That would be great. So yeah, anyways, let me not talk a lot, and I hope this video has helped somebody. So if this video has helped you in any way, if you have learned something, you can consider subscribing for more of the skincare videos, because now I am going to be showing you what is really working on the skin. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching until now, and I will see you on my next one. See you when I give you another update. On YouTube, I'll be giving you an update after every 3 days, and on my Instagram, I'm not sure, I haven't figured out. I'm still trying to find a strategy that I can show you every day but I haven't come up with any idea that I can use for me to like show you the same oil every day, so that without being tired of it, you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm still figuring out a strategy for me to put it out there like every day, like on a 1 second reel. 1 second reel, really, on a 1 minute reel, on a 1 minute reel. So that's what I'm still figuring out. But here on YouTube, I think I'll be showing you each and every 3 days. I think I'll also be putting it in my vlogs, one of my lifestyle vlogs as well, just to pop in and show you. But after 3 days, I'll be back with a video that is going to be talking specifically, should I say after 3 days or after 5 days? I'm not sure. I think after 5 days. Yeah, let me make it 5 days. after 5 days it's reasonable. We do it week by week. Yes, after 5 days every week, until my goal was for me to like show you for the whole month for like 4 weeks. So I'll do like 4 videos for those 4 weeks explaining the changes that I've seen on my face. So yeah, 5 days. 5 days on YouTube, and I'm still figuring out a strategy on how to like show you on Instagram, like every 2 days or every 3 days or something like that, you know. Yeah, on a 1-minute reel. So yeah, anyways guys, without talking too much, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. My skin is looking beautiful, as you can see right here. See how hydrated, radiant it is. It's to this magical taku oil. I'm still looking for a name for it, but yeah. Bye guys. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask, okay? Ask in the comment section, and let me know what else you want me to show you in the next video in the comment section. Ask me anything, then I'll see them and then I'll apply them on my next video. Bye guys.